Hello students, this is the next video clip for Computer Application Class 9 Chapter 2. This chapter is about Java and its compilation process. Java is very popular object-oriented programming language. So it has all features of object-oriented programming language that is described in our previous chapters. In Java, we can create two types of program, standalone and Java applet. Standalone application and Java applet. Standalone application, it can run independently without the help of any other software in both command mode and graphics mode. Whereas Java applet are small Java programs that run within a web browser or applet viewer. Compilation. To understand about compilation, we need to know about source code and machine code or object code. Source code is a program written by a programmer, but this program cannot be executed directly by a computer until it is converted into machine code or binary code. Now, compilation is a process by which a source code is converted into machine code. In first generation of programming language, machine languages are used. So there was no any need of compilation. But in second generation for assembly language, we need assembler to convert it in machine code. And in high level language, we use interpreter and compiler to translate from high level language to low level language or machine level language. Interpreter and compiler both are used to convert from high level language to low level language, but there are some differences. Interpreter converts line by line, whereas compiler converts whole program at a time. Interpreter does not create any extra file while compilation process, whereas compiler creates a new file in which machine code are stored. In this way, interpreter is slow process, whereas compiler is a fast process. In traditional compilation process, source code is directly converted to the machine code. That's why it generates machine dependent or platform dependent code that can run only on the same operating system where it is compiled. But Java compilation process is different from other traditional compilation process. In Java compilation process, source code is compiled into bytecode and then it is interpreted by JVM, that means Java Virtual Machine, that converts into corresponding machine code that gives the facility to run on any platform. For example, if we have created a file hello.java, after compilation a new file is generated hello.class. Then it is further interpreted by interpreter JVM that converts the bytecode into corresponding machine code so it can execute on any platform. In compilation process, we have seen the work of bytecode and JVM. Bytecode is a special code for Java program that is common for all operating systems. And JVM is a Java virtual machine. It translates the bytecode into the corresponding machine code of the computer on which it is to be executed. The JIT is a part of JVM that is used to compile selected portion of bytecode into machine code. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It includes the all supported file to make an environment to execute a Java program. Whereas JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a group of software to develop Java application. It includes JRE, Java compilers and other development tools by using which we can create or develop a new Java program easily. Features of Java. Java is very popular because it is simple and easy to use. It is robust, it has the all facilities and reliable. Secure. Secure means the data and the methods of a class is accessed only by the corresponding class and object. So it is very secure. Object oriented, that means the focus of this programming language depends on the object. Platform independent, that means it can run on any operating system or any platform. Multi-threaded means multiple processes can be executed simultaneously. So it was the brief explanation of chapter 2. Thank you.